Hi guys, welcome to this midday market mood check with me, Nandita Khimka, and my colleague Yatin Mota. Well, Yatin, the kind of sell-off that we saw yesterday, I mean, today there's a semblance of relief given the fact that we have once again reclaimed that 19,600 mark, and of course, cues coming out of global markets are fairly supportive.
Correct.
I think we took a cue from that, given the fact that last night we saw Wall Street stage a good comeback. Obviously there are geopolitical concerns, but then there are chatter. There is chatter about the future interest rate hike path as well. There's some Fed members who have expressed concerns over the future rate hikes going forward. So there were expectations that in November we could look at another 25 basis point rate hike from Fed. But given the kind of chatter we've heard from the other Fed members, there could be a pause. And given that, I think the US markets saw a very good comeback. And this morning Asian markets were also up, and Nikkei was up somewhere around 2% or thereabouts. So we had a rub-off effect on our markets, and cruising along that 19,600 mark. Almost all of the losses, or most of the losses, have been recouped from yesterday. Mid and small cap indices in fine fettled 1% up move coming in on those two indices, and even the advanced decline ratio, I think it's 1:5, as in five gainers for every loser. And realty, I mean, the day belongs to the realty index, given the fact that nearly a 4% up move, a 15-year high for the realty index. Yatin, let's talk about some of the other sectors that are doing well. In fact, all the sectors in the green except for the pharma pack. Among the gainers, Adani Ports, that was the top loser on the index yesterday. Today, it's one of the top gainers on the back of positive reports coming in from CLSA, which, by the way, says that the war, ongoing war between Israel and Palestine, actually presents a very good buying opportunity when it comes to Adani Ports, and they have also upped the price targets, right? So that's among the top gainers. Bharti, UPL, Tata Motors, these are some of the other gainers. Coal India also. And on the losing end, you have IndusInd Bank, Dr. Reddy's, Cipla, so some of the pharma names not doing well. TCS also, by the way, in the red as it reports its earnings tomorrow. Aside of that, I think Maruti also in focus. I think they have outlined a capex of 1.25 lakh crore rupees till FY31 as they plan to roll out new launches and, of course, increase capacity as well. But Dr. Reddy's, last one on my list, not doing all that well, given the fact that it is it is slipping on the back of some antitrust litigation in the US with regards to its cancer drug Revlimid. But I think they belongs to realty stocks. Lots of these movers and shakers in today's session.
Absolutely, and if you look at the Nifty 500, the top gainer is Prestige Estates. That stock is up 13-14%. And the company has aggressive plans to enter the Mumbai real estate market. They've already launched few projects. So from BKC to probably Worli, they have a lot of new projects coming in. Apart from that, Sobha Developers, DLF, all of these stocks are gaining anywhere between 2 to 5%. So good day for the entire real estate pack. Obviously, the pre-sales data has also been very strong with the festive season of Ganesh Chaturthi. Last quarter we had some good sales coming in. What's also doing well on Dalal Street is City Union Bank, 7% higher for that one. Vibro Global, IRFC, all of these stocks doing well. In fact, Vibro Global is one stock wherein ace investor Vijay Kedia has increased his stake. Obviously, he already owned a major chunk and he stopped up those holdings, and post that the stock is witnessing some positive rub-off effect. What's not doing well is the likes of Suzlon. After entering the T2T segment, the stock is witnessing some pressure, 4% down for that one. MapMy India, VTL and ICICI Pru Life. Those are the other stocks which are slightly trading lower in trade. If you look at the small cap index, we have the likes of BSC. That stock has hit a fresh 52-week high. Stock is up 5%. IRB Infra, again you had a multi-month high. That stock is up 5%. NBCC, Nadeza, that is also one PSU which is doing well. Stock is up 6%. Overall, it's a good day for the entire mid-cap, small-cap space, wherein stocks like Birla Soft, BSC, Century Textiles, Angel One are hitting fresh 52-week highs.
Right, Jatin, I think those were all the movers and shakers, but I think in the second half, given the kind of breadth that we are seeing, I hope, or it looks like we're going to sustain above those 19,600 levels. But of course, we have taken the geopolitical issues in stride for now. The next big, decider or trend decider for the markets will be, of course, second quarter earnings, which are kick-starting tomorrow. TCS will be reporting the numbers after the market hours tomorrow. Even experts are saying that 19,600, 500 is the level to watch out for. And if there is any kind of a downside coming in, a deeper downside coming in, that could present a good buying opportunity given the kind of rally that we have seen. But with that, I think we are done with this midday market mood check on Money Control. Of course, come back and join us at 3:30 p.m. when we get you, all the action post market close. But for now, it's a goodbye from me and Yatin. Thanks a lot for tuning in.